Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. Welcome to another Tamiya Tuesday, the TA07 Pro. This is what it looks like. Here we go. Boom! Isn't that awesome? That's a really good looking car, man. So I don't know if you noticed before, but I used to have this body shell hanging up in the back, and it was always an intention to turn it into a race car, and here it is. Now this is a body that I got off eBay as a print. So it's, you know, I didn't paint this myself. It came pre-painted like this, and I'm pretty impressed with the quality of it. I'll show you a bit more. It's a no-name body from China. I have no idea who makes it. It's not a typical RC brand name body, but it looks super scale, and it's really good for USGT class. Now this body, being that it's a print, it's kind of interesting how it's made. Like the front lenses are clear, the windows are clear, and if you look at this, the actual quality of the print is really good. I have strengthened this a bit with my Gorilla Tape Clear. I always recommend Gorilla Tape Clear on your bodies. It's the most lightweight and strongest compromise of products I've found. If you go for the full black Gorilla Tape, or if you go for something like the mesh and then shoe goo, it gets really heavy. So for a race spec vehicle, I feel like this is the way to go. This is a fairly lightweight body, but you always get cracks along these front fenders from impacts and from wear, and just so there is a coating of Gorilla Tape all around the outside perimeter of this body. I didn't even add any additional decals to this, so I'm, you know, kind of a cheater this time. Cheater build. I built this in a week, and I want to race it. So this is a race car. It's not going to be a shelf queen. This is going to be the body I'm going to run for this season, and probably by the end of the season, it's going to be completely destroyed, or look way worse than this. So I wanted to get you some shots before it ever hits the track, and show you what it looks like. So I'm very happy with how it all turned out. The blues are a little bit of a mismatch, but you know, the Tamiya blue, you get those really nice blue anodized wheel nuts, and this is kind of a light blue. If you know the actual race team that has this, I mean, it's got shell on it. This is based on a real livery of a real Aston Martin race car, and I don't know what team had this. If you know the actual race spec of this vehicle, leave a comment down below. I'm going to show you some race footage of how this performed on the track for the very first time. Alright, this will be the first drive with the TA07 Pro. Going to take it out on the track right now. Alright, let's take it out.
Hey, you made it.
Yep.
It pumps up the kg, does it?
87.
I like the body.
Here we go, first drive with the TA07. Ooh.
Ready?
Whoa. Oh. Whoa. Very unstable. Wow, it's really spin out happy. That's a problem. Whoop. Yikes. Ooh, that's gonna need some adjustments. Alright, USGT with the TA07 Pro. I have softened the rear suspension and added this rear wing, just velcroed it on to try and give it a bit less oversteer, and I've dialed my steering down to 80%. Give this a try.
Alright, John's got his way out. Watch the straightaway, guys.
Still snap oversteers on me.
Less than 10 on the tone. Azam. Ian. Lord. Alan. Steve. Angel. Alright, everybody's off. Got a few laps in, and see what kind of times we end up.
Just take it off. Didn't even get one lap in. Broke the C-hub. Okay, thank you. Okay, so I broke the C-hub. Yeah, I broke the bottom out of the C-hub. I don't have any of those because it's a brand new car. I have no parts, so I'm out.
All right, on the tone with Alan, Steve, John, Velo 10, Ronan, and the other geek guy. All right, it's who we got out front right away. Ronan with a fast lap already with 9.98. Keep her clean, stay patient, Ronan. You got this. There's Ronan and me. Come around the exit Rex and into the Yokomo straight. Ripping and ripping. Oh, patience, Ronan, patience.
4 minutes left.
It's Ronan out in front, following John. Sorry about that. E and John in third. Steve in fourth. Elon in fifth, and Alan. Ronan out in front with a 31.506. Fast lap of 9.031. Down the Yokomo straight.
All right, here we go. USGT with the TA07 Pro. I'm in the C main just because I broke out. You know, it's been hard to handle this first day. Here we go, first race.
And then Azam on the pole.
On the pole position.
Woo! Yeah. That does deserve a round of applause. Well done. I tried it out today. He drives backwards, by the way. Just watch his hands.
Oh, yeah, reverse
All
steering.
right. Marshall's ready. Driver's ready. Less than 10. This is a race. And they're off. All right, they're climbing in the back. He getting hung up with Alan. That's allowing Ronan to get out front. He's driving a World car. Slow that down, Ronan. Nice and smooth. Nice and steady, buddy. Nice and steady. Ronan in front. John in second place. Suzanne in third. Keith in fourth. Alan in fifth. Suzanne taking a little off-track excursion. Oh, and Dino in the penalty box. All right, everybody's on their way to get Ronan, John, Zan, Pete, Alan, and this is running order right now. Fastest lap is Ronan with 9.3. John in second place and on the same lap. We got a three-way battle right now for the street. We got Ronan in front, John and Zan in striking distance.
Smooth and steady, smooth and steady.
Ronan just keeping it steady. He's 20 laps out of Ronan right now. Oh no. Oh no. Is that a wheel nut? Oh no. Ronan is out. That's a borrowed car too. Just before going out, he ran at 8.9. John now in the lead is Am, third, Ian, fourth, Alan in fifth.
Left.
I'll do it the way they were.
That's okay, it helped me. It was faster than the Marshalls were.
Roman has no luck whatsoever.
2 minutes left.
Drive shaft, right at the shaft. Watch the street, guys. Outside of the street.
Clear.
Just having to wheel it around really easy so it doesn't oversteer on me. Because if I push it, then I spin out. But we'll work on the setup.
Minute and a half. Zam out front. John in second. Key in third. Allen in fourth. Zam is looking in a good position right now to win this one. He's comfortably in the lead. John starting to make up a bit of ground on him. Zam, the fastest lap, 9.4. Well done. Nice clean lines out there. Zam's got it dialed in. 1 minute left. Coming up on 30 seconds. Don't know if John's got an answer for his hand. He's now got a lap. Oh, that's a problem.
Oh, is it broken? Really? Oh, man.
You can hear the groans from everybody around. They're trying to get that car fixed. He's still in the lead. He's still on the lead lap. They're trying their best. They got together. There's still lots of time to check the trend of this race. No, John's just taking the lead on it now. Zam's now down to second place. D in third. That's time. Race to the line, guys.
Car 507.
D, you are done. John, you are done. Alan's the only one still wide out there, guys. Let him come around. White Camaro, black stripes. Coming up the street there now.
Car
That is the race. So that is John in the lead. He wins that one. Zam still salvaged the second place.
Wow, so I got first place because everyone else broke out.
Fourth.
Sweet, now I get the bump up to the beat me.
Driver is ready. Marshall's ready. Less than 10.
0.05 seconds.
It's a race. Semi-clean race.
Go.
After 30 seconds of racing, we have Ricky, Jimmy, Jordan, Dee, Ian, John, and Lauren. It's a battle from the first to the fifth position, and 6th and 7th are battling on their own. Jordan is 1.4 seconds behind Ricky. Ricky now 1.8 seconds. Jid is 1.5 seconds behind second place Jordan. He is 0.5 seconds behind
Holy cow.
Jid. Ian is 1.4 seconds behind D in fourth position. For the battle, D just took over second position. D is now 1.2 seconds behind Jordan, trying to catch number 1. Can Jordan pull away? He's now 1.5 seconds. Ricky is 2.1 seconds behind E. Ian is 1.6 seconds behind Ricky. It's a battle for between second, third, and fourth position for the first. That is Jordan trying to stay in front. Right now, Jordan has the fastest lap at an 8.17 done on lap number 7. He is still in second. Ricky in third. Jin in fourth. Now Ian and Lauren are now mixing up, trying to get some position. We have Jordan. He is 2.8 seconds behind first position. Ricky's 3.0. Jin is 4.2 seconds behind third position. The battle is between he and Ricky for second place. Ian is 1.6 seconds behind Jin in fourth. He is still trying to put the pressure on Jordan, but Ricky is right behind E, 1.8 seconds to be exact, trying to put some pressure. See if he can hold up or make a mistake. 2 minutes left on the race. It is still Jordan, E, Ricky, Ian, Jin, Lauren, and John. The battle is between Jordan and Guy right now. Ricky's 1.7 behind Guy. He is 5.7 seconds behind Jordan. Jordan trying to pull away from Guy. Jin is 1.4 seconds behind fourth place. Lauren is in sixth position, 4.1 seconds behind Jin. Oh, Ricky just took over second place and put he in third position right now. He got it.
Okay.
Jordan trying to pull away.
Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you're new around here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching.